Hi traders, this is Forex James and here is the analysis for the week of April 30th to May 4th, 2018. We'll start off with the pound dollar, still an uptrend on the weekly. Change it back to black. Okay, it's nearing the upsloping trend line here. So my take on this is gonna be a bounce somewhere around here. On the daily, however, we are on a support line. This is a range here. This part is the bottom of the range, and here's the top of the range. Okay, so looking at this, I don't think the down move is quite done. So we'll buy if it dips lower, and if it bounces, I'm going to look for a sell here. Seeing how this price just went to the downside, this looks very strong to me. The bears are definitely in control. Okay. Next, euro dollar. We broke through this channel here on the daily. Let's see if this is a fake out or this is a real breakout. Okay, let's zoom out. Okay. My take on this is that it's gonna make another new high. So as you can see, it's a strong move. The bulls are in control and the bears are trying to take over here. The sellers come in and it's not making a lot of difference. The bulls are still in control. So should it dip lower? I'm gonna look for buys around here. Oops. Right about there. And if it goes up first, I may look for some sell over here. There you go. This is also a supply level over here. All right, let's see what price would do. Dollar CAD. Okay, the weekly direction is still to the upside. It's ranging here on the H4. My direction bias is still to the upside here. So, with that being said, we'll look for buys around here. This is a range on the H4. Like that. Pound CAD. See how price trying to make its move to the downside, but you can see that it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles going to the downside and just one candle to the upside, making the same amount of pips, the same amount of move. So it means that this sell-off here, it's weak. So I'm gonna look for buys right about here very soon. But we should wait till the momentum of this move here, it slows down and a range forms. Okay. So be on the lookout for buys here. Aussie dollar. We're on this up channel on the weekly. So bias to the upside. Should this dip lower, make a retracement, I'm gonna look for buys. This is already a buy zone already. So start looking for buys now. Dollar yen. Direction is still to the upside. That's my bias. It should pull back. We don't know where it will pull back to. So see in the H4 if there's any significant demand and resist a supply level. So right about here is a buy zone for me. Dollar franc. Wow, what a move. I'm not shorting this anytime soon. Definitely a buy. Okay. Right about here is a buy zone. Next, the Euro Aussie. This is a range here. We are nearing the top of the range. This is ranging in the weekly. I'm gonna look for sells here. Watch out though. This is the highest peak, the highest point of the last previous move. So it may hover around here first, but my bias is to the downside. Oh, should this go down first though? I'm gonna look for buys. Until this area here. Okay. Euro pound. Strong rally here. Price broke through this area. This is a level that's been tested many times. Price broke through it, so buyers to the upside. We'll look for dips. A pullback right around here. So price may pull back and respect this line, or it may pull back further down and be somewhere around here. Pound Aussie. This is a strong move to the downside. This range should probably break by now. Been tested a few times before. On the weekly though, it's telling me that it might go further down. Yep. So my buy zone would be around here. And we'll watch how this price break this area. We may look for shorts until this point. So on the H4, look for sells once this breaks and retest. What do we have here in the pound yen? No, not going to use this trend line. Okay, this is a good one here, a good level. This is a false break. I'm going to look for buys around here. Wait for the price to range in H4 and I'm going to look for buys. This is a nice demand level here. See how price went down and just spiked up? There are definitely buyers here. So watch out for this the next few days. Aussie Kiwi, it's still going to the upside in my opinion. So direction is up. We'll look for buys. It's ranging already, so use probably a buy limit. This is still kind of trending, so we'll wait for price to slow down before reversing. Aussie yen. Bias is to the upside. It's right about, this is already the buy zone for us. Right about now. CAD franc. The daily is ranging. Slowing down here. Since it looks like it's going up, I'm going to look for sells here. See how price is creeping up slowly? It shows that the buyers are less eager to buy. So, sell. Euro yen. This is still a buy for me. We're right about at the buy zone. Okay, right about now. Last one, Kiwi. Let's see. Okay, should this go up? I'm gonna look for sell. This was demand, tested, broken. This is gonna be a nice point to sell for me. Okay, and that should do it for this week. We'll see how price react to these levels with Mark, and we'll review them at the end of the week. Yeah.